AirDrop is quick, but can have issues. Here are 5 ways to transfer photos between iPhones without AirDrop. Let's compare them to help you choose the best option. Way 1. Transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone without AirDrop via phone transfer. AirDrop is quick, but can have issues. Here are 5 ways to transfer photos between iPhones without AirDrop. Let's compare them to help you choose the best option. How to use phone transfer to copy photos from iPhone to iPhone without AirDrop. Step 1. Install phone transfer on your computer and launch it. Once opened, you will see the main interface. Connect both iPhones to your computer using USB data cables. Step 2. The program will automatically detect the connected iPhones. Make sure the sender is marked as source device and the receiver is marked as destination device. If the roles are swapped, use the drop-down menu to correct them. Step 3. Select the Photos option and click the Export to Device button. The program will automatically start transferring your photos from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Way 2. Send pictures from iPhone to iPhone without AirDrop by iCloud. On your old iPhone, enable iCloud Photos in Settings Apple ID iCloud. Connect to Wi-Fi to upload photos. On your new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID and turn on iCloud Photos to sync. Way 3. Share photos from iPhone to iPhone without AirDrop using iTunes. Connect your old iPhone, in iTunes or Finder. Select Photos, choose a folder, and click Apply. Then, connect your new iPhone and repeat. Way 4. Move photos from iPhone to iPhone without AirDrop by email. On the source iPhone, select Photos in Photos, tap Share, choose Mail, and enter the recipient's email. Send the email, then open it on the destination iPhone and download the photos. Way 5. Transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone without AirDrop by shared album. On your old iPhone, open Photos, tap the plus icon, and select New Shared Album. Name it, invite yourself or others, then add the photos to share. Access them on your new iPhone or by anyone invited.